Hello, welcome back. We are discussing about pricing strategy. In the last video, we discussed about consumer psychology and pricing and the six-step process of setting a price. Now let us go ahead. In this video, we are going to discuss about the pricing adaptation or the price adaptation strategies. Let us begin. Now, what exactly is the price adaptation strategy? Friends, when companies set the price, they do not set a fixed point. On the contrary, they set a pricing structure which allows them to make variations as and when needed. For example, there are certain factors which actually compel the firms to make certain variations. For example, geographic areas, segment requirements, order size and delivery schedule, and the timing of purchase. So for that, there are several pricing strategies that companies adopt. Let us see. There are several strategic options available to the company for adaptation of the pricing. They are promotional pricing and differentiated pricing. In fact, there are more options available, but for this particular video, we will restrict our discussion to these two important strategies. Let us discuss each one of them with the help of examples. Now, when we say promotional pricing, basically companies do price adaptation using the special event pricing, cashbacks, no interest finance or low interest finance, and equated monthly installments, additional warranties, and psychological discounting. See, basically, when we talk about special event pricing, many firms actually try to set the price or offer discount on special event. For example, Raksha Bandhan Special is a very specific and very popular event in India. If you talk about the brand Asopalo in Surat City, they always make sure that special event, that is Raksha Bandhan, is celebrated very nicely, and they offer discount only once in a year during this festival. Cashbacks, you are very well aware, when you go for certain digital payments using certain digital payment apps, maybe certain cashbacks are given. There are no interest finance and EMIs, additional warranties many companies offer, right? So this is what we call it as promotional pricing, one of the price adaptation strategies. The next one is called differentiated pricing. Here, company tries to differentiate the price, right? And in this case, what happens is the company charges a different price to different buyers. Now, some of the differentiated pricing strategies are customer segment pricing, product form pricing, channel pricing, location pricing, and the time pricing. Let us understand each one of them. The first one is customer segment pricing. The company charges different price to different customer groups. For example, Indian Railways charge different tariffs to different passengers. For example, senior citizens obtain a different kind of discount which normally other passengers do not get. The next one is product form pricing. Here, the company charges different price for different forms of the same basic product. For example, dishwashing bar Vim and dishwashing liquid Vim, both the forms, solid and liquid, the prices are different. Channel pricing. Companies also charge different prices for the same product when they are actually sold through different channels. You must have observed that the Pepsi bottle sold at Domino's and at other place the prices are different. Location pricing. Company charges different price for the same product sold on different locations. Say for example, on-road prices of Maruti Suzuki Dzire ZXi 80. I've chosen a very specific model of Maruti Suzuki. The prices are different at two different locations, Mumbai and Delhi. They are on-road prices. So this is an example of location pricing. Then you have time pricing. Right. When we say time pricing, the company charges different price for the same product sold at different times. And this price may vary by season, by day of the week, or by hour. For example, hotel rooms. The tariffs may vary depending on the season. There are off-season rates and there are season rates. Even some restaurants charge different price for different time and they call it them as happy hours where they offer a very lower price, right? So this is basically the strategy called time pricing, which is a part of differentiated pricing. Now with this point we will end our discussion on price adaptation strategy and we also complete our module on pricing strategy. I hope you must have understood it well and enjoyed both the video sessions on pricing strategy. Thank you very much.